Back. In the last video, what we did is we created this short, chopped it up, made it nice, and used AI to automatically generate captions. In this one, the audio is atrocious. So what we're gonna do is use their new AI tools to fix that. Let me show you just a little bit of how bad and unbalanced this is. So brace yourselves. Here's the real question: do I want to risk it or watering it? Let me search. Are you kidding me? It produces more berries? But yeah, it's like you can't hear anything except the music. So what we're gonna do, if we just go out a little bit, we're gonna take all of the audio, go to, I think it is edit AI tools. No, timeline AI tools. Yeah, timeline AI tools, audio assistant, YouTube, auto mix. Now what it's going to start doing is instantly classifying all of the audio. So it'll say, hey, this is voice, this is music, this is sound effects, whatever, right? It'll automatically mix all that together and give you something that's a more professional mix. So I guess we just wait. While it's doing that, I guess I'll talk a little bit about. So I have been working on some shorts for a Pokemon themed coding live stream that I've been doing, where I've basically been writing scripts to automate a lot of the mini side tasks in a Pokemon game that I'm playing. So it's been super fun. But one of the problems that I've had, I guess, or one of the things that I really wanted to do with this is, right, like Ludwig says, stream for the clip and then actually make the clip and post it. And I'll show you what it looked like. Oh, it's actually moving and grooving. Okay, so let's first just give this a try. Here's the real question: is do I want to risk it on watering a berry? Let me search. Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. We're freaking going crazy on this. Here we go. Waterberry. So we're adding to the function something that waters the berry. We're going to add a longer wait period and one more phase of bees. Did it just say bees spamming? One more phase of bee spamming. Hold on. Let me fix this. Let's see. We're gonna add. Does that work? Waters the berry. We're gonna add a longer wait period. Longer wait. We're gonna add a. We're gonna add. I don't actually know how to fix that. Okay, so then honestly, it doesn't matter, but listen to that. So let's go back and look at this. Here's the real. Hold on, let me go back to 0. So this is what it sounded like originally. Here's the real question: do I want to risk it or water it? Let me see. Here we go. And this is what it sounds like now. Skit on watering a berry. Let me search. Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. We're freaking going crazy on this. Here we go. Here we go. So you can hear the voice is way more crisp, way more clear. But also, it balanced the music, it balanced the sound effects. I do want to go into, is it here? Search. Is it this one? Search. Let me search. Let me search. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. We're freaking going crazy on this. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. What I want to do is just zoom in here. I want this one. And we're just going to keyframe, zoom, and position. Okay, let's keyframe, zoom, and position. Boo. Waterberry. So we're adding to the function something that waters the berry. We're going to add a longer wait period and one more phase of bee spamming. And we're going to make sure that we water this berry. Okay, now we're set. We have created the ultimate farm. We're set. We have created the ultimate farm. Okay. Let me check in that stream if it's probably this one. Let me find the source clip. I I think it is this one. So here's what we're doing. We're building a oh, that's this one. Okay. Okay, here we go. Waterbury. Does this make it better? We have created the ultimate farmer, and I believe he can change the world. Let's run this. It's not hype enough. Okay. Now we're set. We have created the ultimate farmer. I forgot the like MLG. I produced. Let's just do that, and then we'll be done. Is it not like alert? Part of the Nani meme? That's what I need. New bin. Are you kidding me? Let me search. Are you kidding me? Search. Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. We're freaking going crazy on this. Here we go. Here we go. Waterberry. So we're adding to the function something that waters the berry. We're going to add a longer wait period and one more phase of bee spam. Oh no, the bee didn't. And one more phase of bee. Wait, why is it saying bee? Huh.
Hi, I'm Roting, a support engineer from the Blackmagic Design Singapore office. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize subtitles as well as save them as presets. Starting from Divinci Resolve 18.1, you're able to save your subtitle settings as presets. This means you can use the same subtitle settings across different projects and even share them with other people in your team. Let's take a look at how it works. Here I have a project with subtitles already in place, but I want to make changes to how the subtitles, all the different parameters for the track itself. Top right 3-dot menu and click Save Track as Preset. Let me just give it a name. Choose to export preset. You will see from someone else. So to import a preset file, simply click on the subtitle track, go back to the 3-dot menu and choose Import Preset. This is the preset that I previously received, and I'm just going to choose Open. Save the preset name and click on OK. After that, I will need to apply it onto the track itself, so I can go back to the 3-dot menu, mouse over the new preset that I just imported, and click on Load Preset. So you can see the preset, the subtitle has changed, and if I go to track, you can see that the font and the font face are all different, and they are
There are multiple ways that you can add subtitles inside Divinci, but just don't count on it in this cinematography. We're going to dive into the world of subtitles inside Divinci Resolve. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks when it comes to using subtitles inside Divinci. We're going to show you how to add a subtitle track. And all you do is go to your timeline and right click, and we're going to add subtitle track. And boom, now you have the subtitle track. So one reason you may want to have that is if you have SRT that you need to input. For example, a lot of commercial work I use, we use a service like Rev, where it takes you're going to have to fix. Sometimes a little bit selling, but roughly about 90% of the time it does a really, really decent job. Everything I'm going to show you from now on, you can do with the free version of Divinci. So make changes to your subtitles, just come over here and to your inspector, press on, and we can make our changes right here. And that makes the changes live. And let's say we just need to adjust things. So I'm going to make sure that I'm broadcast safe. And doing so, I'm going to turn my safe markers on. So to do that, I just go over to view, safe area, turn it on. And now I have these guys, so I know where I need to have my subtitles. To them over on inspector, just come over to track. Now you can go over to position, and we can move that down. You can also adjust like stroke if you want to get them old. You can add a drop shadow, background, you can change the font. And what you'll notice pretty quickly is that it's changing all the subtitles all over. It's not affecting just one. So if you want
Yeah, except it's not. You know what? It's a retention mechanism. I tried to change that. And it's not adjusting, so we will go out. Let me just hear that. That is loud. Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. We're freaking going crazy on this. Here we go. Here we go. Waterberry. So we're adding to the function something that waters the berry. We're going to add a longer wait period and one more phase of bee spamming. And we're going to make sure that we water this berry. Okay, now we're set. We have created the ultimate farm. Breaking. Okay. I think it's good to just export. Yeah, save it in shorts. One thing you can do, subtitle settings. You can export subtitles as embedded captions. I don't have any proxy media or anything. That's funny. Part 3. Let's render this real quick. We'll pull up. We'll actually change this. Coding, script. What else? Coding, script. Okay, let's just go ahead and post it right now. Let's create upload video. I'll say I thought Encoder native network optimization. Encoding profile. Here's the real question is, do I want to risk it on watering a berry? Let me search. Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. Wait, why is it not? Let me search something. I'm not checking a box.
In this video, I'll answer the question, why does Divinci Resolve not render subtitles? Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are. Now, I'm going to keep this video on the timeline in Divinci Resolve Studio. I'm going to go to the timeline and then create subtitles from audio and just automatically generate subtitles for this video. I'll click on create, it's going to initialize, analyze, and then automatically generate subtitles for this particular video that I have on the timeline. And because it's a 2 minute 48-second clip, it's going to be done in no time. Now, I'll just zoom in slightly. And you can already see the subtitles here, and we have a subtitle track right here. So if you actually play this, you'll see in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text behind a person or moving object in Camtasia 2023. So it looks good, could use some work to fine tune it, but you're done with your editing subtitles, and you're done with everything, and making a video and so on and so forth. You now want to render the subtitles of the video for this. So if you go to the lever tab here and go to this, you'll notice one option down here, and it's called subtitle settings. The reason why most people end up asking that question, why does DaVinci Resolve not render subtitles, is because they don't open up the subtitle settings and mark that they need the subtitles to be exported. So you need to actually have this checkmark set up so that you can set what format do you want your subtitles exported as or rendered as. If you want them banned into the video, you have to make a selection here and then click on ban into video, so that under the export subtitle in subtitle settings, you have this available all the time. Now, you save you so much hassle, you can always go to these three dots up here, click on this and save as new preset, and you can call it like subtitle, for example, banning subtitle.
Okay, hold on. Burn into video is what I want.
Hello, David Clark here from BBC.
No. Ooh. Okay. One more thing I want to see. From the file menu. Okay. Honestly, that's the best hook I could ever think of, and I didn't think to film with it. Okay, past checks, not made for kids. Next, add subtitles. With timing. Here's a real question. Do I want to always get on water and berry? Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Huh. This is worth figuring out. Oh, that's really funny. That's really funny. Okay. Huh. Okay. Here we go. Add related video. Let's watch this. Here's the real question is, do I want to risk it on watering a berry? Let me search. Are you kidding me? That produces more berries? That's insane. Oh, okay. We're freaking going crazy on this. Here we go. Waterberry. So we're adding to the function something that waters the berry. We're going to add a longer wait period and one more phase of bee spamming. And we're going to make sure that we water this berry. Okay, now we're set. We have created the ultimate farm. Okay, we'll send it. Just to kind of nuke these final 10 days. I'm just going to go 100% hardcore on shorts editing. Let's go back to master. Okay, so we've got that uploaded. For those of you that don't know, basically I've been live streaming for the past 10 days, coding a auto clicker Python program that'll play Pokemon for me. And not a lot of people saw it. So what we're doing is we're actually building a ton of scripts. So if I go back to, I'll show you all the clips we have. But basically, it's just a huge highlight reel of all the different clips that we could turn into shorts. These are the last 10 days of 10 days of streams kind of chopped up into little easy bits that we can use AI to quickly turn into shorts. So that's what we've been doing. Since we're moving on to the next one, I'm actually going to switch this back and just start looking at what we can turn into a short next. So here's the real question. That's the one we just did. And I think it's ready for full production, scaling, whatever. Oh, this is it. This is me testing. Okay. So I said I would do this in the next short. So I'm going to do it. Let's create a new timeline. And what we're going to do here is, let's just call it, okay, let's make that. Okay, so we have an empty timeline. What we're going to do is actually open up all the raw clips. And we don't want the short here. What we want is raw clips. So we have all of our clips already chopped up. We just go and take this, drag it into here. So now we have a 2-minute clip. And I think it's ready for full production, scaling, whatever. Alarms are probably the worst thing. So we don't need this. Okay. Don't need this. I can feel it. This one's it. Here we go. Little extra water for good measure. Never hurt nobody, right? There's a lot of just like, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So we want that, but we don't need all of it, right? Okay. I can. Oh, no way, man. No way. Right, and this was the kind of stuff I was doing in the live stream. if you're interested in like coding or whatever, feel free to check out the stream. It was just me with like absolute crackhead energy, putting way too much energy into a kid's game. Get on at this point. You can see like, okay, we threw that in. Okay, water this last berry. Water this last berry. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. I shouldn't be this excited about a freaking kids game. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's been like a week just to get this it harvests the berries. It waters the berries. It plants a new one. I did that in the wrong order because I'm so excited. This can be a cool video. I'm certain this can be a really cool short. What I want to do first is just chop out the pieces that I need, and that might be harder than I think. Okay, I can feel it. This one's it. Here we go. Little extra water for good measure. Never hurt nobody, right? All of this can be chopped. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Next patch. Oh, no way, man. No way. Little extra water. He's just dunking on him at this point. Yeah, let me know if you have questions. And for context, as far as Resolve goes, we used AI to chop out all these pieces for us. We're also going to use AI in a little bit to generate captions and to mix everything, create like the final product. So let's just first do the boring stuff, right? Okay, water this. Do I need any of this? Okay, water this last berry. Water this last berry. Let's go. Let's go. Right? So let's just throw a marker down right here, and we want to really emphasize the pop off. What we'll probably do is zoom in on me. This was like the craziest. I'm so excited. I shouldn't be this excited about a freaking kids game. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's been like a week. It harvests the berries. It waters the berries. It plants, waters the berries. It's a new one. I'm so excited. Honestly, I think I get rid of these. I think that's... Ooh. Coding just to get this stupid... Get this stupid... It harvest... Oh man, it's been like a week of me coding just to get this... Let's see what that looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's been like a week. I'm trying not to wake up my kid. Oh man. And I may have done it. Oh. It's funny, but I don't know if it's gonna make the cut. I'm trying not. We'll just mark these clips kind of like brown, so we know. Hey. Velo Live. Thanks for joining, man. We're just editing some scripts, or some some streams that I made over the past 10 days for coding. I've been coding a bot to play Pokemon for me. And so this is kind of the way I am building something to share that with others, just through some shorts. Okay. I can feel it. I don't need the okay. I can start the video right here. This one's it. Feel it. This one's it. Here we go. Oh. That's funny. I literally in this stream I'm editing, my alarm went off and I was like, oh, let me turn it off. I can feel let's get the wheel. Here we go. So we also are testing the Divinci Resolve editing keyboard, which has been just a game changer. Between the pro version of Divinci that it gives. Here we go. And you know what I can do to make this even faster? I'll show you this because it's cool. If you go to AI Tools, Audio Transcription, Transcribe, you get you'll get a transcription. Let's see if this changes anything. If you click that, it'll remove all the pauses. Since it didn't remove anything, I think we are at the extent of what AI can do. Here we go. And this is to go even further. Okay, so hands-free. Here it is. No, I can feel it. This one's it. Here we go. So, shoot. Not much experience. I've really just been editing for basic stuff for like a year. I've really gotten into it for the past month. Trying really hard to learn how to edit so that I can become a better streamer, a better content creator. I want to be able to create coding videos that help people learn. And this is video editing is one of those skills. I think also like embracing AI is the only way that I'm able to survive as an editor so far. I need to make a marker. With the audio. Let's see. So I'll leave that for now. A little extra water for good sure. Never hurt nobody, right? Yeah, you know, never hurt nobody. Let's just cut some of this out. Okay. Right, same thing here. We can stack the okay with the step to the right. I have heard that. The only thing is I don't want to be a beginner forever. And so I'd rather just learn the skill on what I'll probably end up using in the future anyways. So, but yeah, I have heard great things about CapCut. And I think right here, I want to have a marker. What do I want to do? So just building up a little bit of story, the hardest part in this whole thing. No, not it's my mean. All right, let's see. Let's go. Oh, okay. Next. Go. Okay. Next patch. Oh, no way, man. No way. A little extra work. It's just got on at the point. I'm not on at this point. Wait. Okay, we can. Let's just cut that out. Yeah, we're gonna stack this too. Stack the reaction with the final planting, and then here's where we go. We pop off. Let's go! I shouldn't be this excited about a freaking kids game. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's and this is where the resolves dial that I have on the side of my keyboard is like a superpower because you can just get exactly where you need in the clip. Cut out what you don't want. There's actually a really funny editing thought I had with this. I'm trying not to wake up my kid. Which is put here. Let's see. So we want to zoom into the chair with silence. We'll see if that's actually funny. I think there's a chance that could be. Let me go back to the. I'm trying not to wake up my kid. Okay, I'm not even going to edit those because I don't think it's going to make the cut. So let's see what these are. Stack movement of character with my dialogue. So now we're going to start bringing in other videos. And the easiest way to do that is to go to display stack timelines. We're going to go to the previous short that I just uploaded. And you can see there's three different video selects, I guess. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste the attributes here. Only after I have non-destructively copied these. Honestly, I should be polishing these things in the raw timeline and then throwing them in for formatting stuff. Let's do pitch. Let's do zoom. Control C. And we're going to do Alt V, and that lets us paste the attributes. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so I grabbed the wrong one. Let's copy this. Oh, gotcha. Take care. Thanks for joining. Oh, that's why it's not changing. I can feel it. This one. Let's go ahead and switch to 1920 vertical. See what this looks like. Feel it. This one. I can feel it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take this and paste it here. I can feel it. Let's do this. I can feel it. I can feel it. Let's go here. There's a button somewhere that lets me. I can feel it. This one. I can feel it. This. Wait. I can feel it. This one's. I can feel it. I can feel it. This one's it. Here we go. Okay. So you've got this. I can feel it. We actually probably do want this on top. Let's do that. This one's it. Here. I don't actually mind having code originally. I can feel it. This one's it. Here. Let's take this. We'll actually take the layout of this first. This one's it. Here we go. I can feel it. This one's it. Here we go. So let's just see. Okay. Feel it. This one. Feel it. This one's it. Here we go. Oh man, it would have been a helpful one if I hadn't pulled from there. Let's go back here, stack the timeline again. Control C. I will need the text. Of course, I grab another one. Here we go. Waterberry. So we're adding to the function something that waters the berry. We're going to add a longer wait period and one more phase of bee spamming. And we're going to make sure that we water this berry. Okay. It's better to just edit that. Okay. Here's the real question. Oh, whatever timeline you're playing from is the one that gets selected. So let's go back to master. No, I want testberry. Okay, this is the best way to do it. It is funny that I said non-destructively and then instantly. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. That's why I kept that. Okay. I can feel it. I can feel. Honestly, it's probably better to just delete these. Okay. Here's what we got. Just alt that a few times. Crop left. Okay. Let's look at this. Ooh. I can feel it. This one's it. I can feel it. This one's it. Here we go. This one's it. Here we go. Shoot, I gotta get out. Okay. I will continue this tomorrow. Thanks for watching.